Happy Saturday, y'all. So I went out and picked up some things that I needed, some things that I wanted. So I'm gonna start over here. I got some I'm still working with this camera, y'all. Here it is. Okay, so I got some. I usually get Cool Whip, but this time I said nah, I'm gonna see how the alt brand does, because Cool Whip is like $2 or something. This was 89 cents. Now if it's not good, I'm not gonna make it anymore. But the thing is, this is used as a topping for the strawberry poke cake. Is not used like in banana pudding or whatever. You understand what I'm saying? So I got 2 of these for less than the 8 ounce of the Cool Whip. I'm making chipotle bowls today, so I got the ranch style beans, the black beans. All you do is just take them and rinse them. I love the California blend, especially when I'm having chicken and rice. This is my favorite side with a little cheese in it. Alright, so they had the chicken breast, which when I find chicken breast on sale, I usually always at least get a pack, because I use chicken breast a lot. And look at this, I saved $6.69 on that. Look at that, I saved $6.69 on that chicken breast. Also, I got sirloin. This sirloin here, and it was on sale. Got that. I got the Hellman's mayo, $3.99 each. Y'all remember one time I got these for $1.99 at Albertsons at that. I got a cantaloupe, which looked pretty good. I hadn't had a cantaloupe in so long. I got me some purple hull peas. Also from Sam's, I picked up this Crest Advantage. It's 3 of these, and I think right now they're on the instant savings for $10.98 or $11.98 or something like that. So I got those. I also got the whole kernel corn, because that's going to make, I'm using that to make my chipotle bowls tonight. I got some French style green beans. I got me some turnip greens. I got 5 bunches. Y'all, these greens were $1.48 a bunch, but they are pretty. The bunches are plentiful though. For my poke cake, I got strawberries. These strawberries were $4, $3.98. But I needed them, so I went ahead and got them. So for the cake, I need Jell-O, and I need the white cake, and I like Duncan Hines white. I used my hot roll mix because I made homemade pizzas this week, so I'm replacing it. But this time I may make cinnamon rolls with it. I was completely out of olive oil, so I got some of that. I got this Formula L biscuit mix. I can't find it all the time in all of the stores, so they had 7. I think I got 6 of them. I'm gonna put them up. Even if I don't use them, I donate them, and we can make the biscuits at church for something. I got the bag of Doritos, because this week on our menu we're gonna have the Dorito Mexican casserole. People say it's not, you shouldn't say Mexican. I didn't think it's offensive. It's a good meal. So the Doritos, that's what we were called. That's what it's called. I got Reynolds Wrap. I got 2 different things. I got the regular, and then I got the heavy duty. And I won't need any more of this year. It's on sale, so I want to hit. Sometimes you just got to stock up on things when they're on sale that you use. See, for me, I stock up on things I use daily, or most of the time, or something that I know I have to have. I stock up on it. So that's what I got there. And I also got the kind from Sam's. I ordered it, and it has to come in, but I got the kind that's non-stick. Also from Sam's, I got some Kings for charcoal. I went ahead and got them because I was completely out. Usually I keep it, but my son already put that in our storage room. And I got these Perseals. Remember I told y'all they were $19.91, so I went ahead and got 5 of them. Yeah, 5. So I won't need any more Persil this year. If the only way I'd buy some more is if they go cheaper than $19, because I know how much I paid for them in the past. I paid $19 for 60 and this for 88. So that's the reason why I stock up like that. And I already have, y'all, this actually makes a total of 8 that I have. Wow. So I don't need any more. I'm straight. All right, y'all. And also I got some produce that doesn't really, I don't like the way the aesthetics of it on camera, so I didn't show that. And that's what I have. Also, y'all, I bought this caramel corn. I had a kettle corn truck over there, and I love caramel corn, so I got that. Put it in little bitty snack bags to have for a snack. Just a little bit. Encourage your appetite. Talk to y'all later. Much love, everybody. And welcome all my new subscribers. It's all love over here. Any questions, concerns, hey, feel free. It's an open forum over here. Much love. Talk to you later. Bye.